Today we are fitting these Alpine SPC-106T61 speakers. These are a direct fit kit to work with the OEM holes and speaker plugs. Jack starts off by removing the door cards on both sides, then he'll remove the 10mm bolts around the inner skin of the door so he can get behind to install 4 sheets of sound deadening on the outer skin of the door. Next we drill out all 4 rivets that hold the old speaker in place. After it's drilled out the speaker, Jack will install the sound deadening to the outer skin of the door. Now he's installed the outer skin sound deadening, he will start to lay sound deadening on the plastic plate itself. Rolling it on will give the sound deadening a good stick, as well as making it absorb the most amount of vibrations as possible. Jack's now fitting the speaker ring and speaker, then finishing it off with the foam speaker sound ring. Now the door speakers are done, you can move on to the A-pillar tweeters. Jack removes the A-pillars, which is really easy and is in the how-to playlist on the channel. Now that A-pillars are off, we need to remove the old grille and tweeter and replace it for the new ones. The tweeter bracket is plastic welded in, and either you can use a soldering iron like we do, or you can get a Stanley knife and cut off the plastic. Once the plastic welds have been removed, you can pry the tweeter and the tweeter bracket off. Then the grille will pop out the front. Refitting is easy, as the grey trim and silver grille will clip into the bracket on the other side of the A-pillar. Now the tweeters are in, we can refit the A-pillars and that's it. It's been tested and everything is great, so we can go out to another happy customer.